This year, the Schuylkill Haven Area High School 8th grade students got the opportunity to visit the manufacturing company Highwood USA. Highwood USA runs their company by the 7 parts of their mission plan.
Number 1, in every action, we do what is right for the business, the customer, and the community.
Really like the people. The people we work with here are easy to get along with. Everybody's really good friends. They don't need to really be out there on top of everybody because everybody does their job and works together.
Number 2, be accountable. We don't wait for others to step up. We take responsibility and take action.
Being accountable out on the floor. Once they are approved, they get a pay raise.
Number 3, drive improvement. We constantly look for better ways, better products, and better service.
With as far as a new design from a customer, whatever the customer wants, a change in a design or a perfectly new design. And I will take this blueprint and right here at the machine, fabricate a program using G-code. And you can see the machine now will translate my G-code and start machining the part.
Number 4, value teamwork. We help others to succeed.
Number 5, do it safely. Everyone goes home in the same good shape that they came to work in.
Most important, safety is wearing your protective gear, your plugs, your glasses and safety shoes, and just thinking about what you're doing, not rushing around.
6, sustainability. We are stewards of the environment and responsibly manufacture our products.
So Highwood's impact on the environment is very, we try to make sustainable material. So it's going to be long-lasting, tough in the elements, so you don't have to keep buying everything new every year.
Number 7, treat others as we want to be treated.
Highwood USA has one of the best workspaces in the manufacturing community.